Okay, guys. This is Chris back at it again. And this time we are playing to Sea of Thieves. So this is actually gonna be pretty. I'm excited. You guys excited? Let's do this. I'm gonna be playing with the buds. And this is the crappiest intro I've ever done, but it's okay. It is okay. Isn't that right, Casey? Oh, if I could only pull out a gun, I'd have walked up and had the back of his head. Yes. Okay, but yeah. So I'm gonna go back to the party before I make this even more cringy.
Nothing finer than a well-oiled.
Okay, guys. Hope you enjoy. Okay, guys, you ready?
Hold on.
Hold on.
I will be. I'm just trying to find out where the jumping jacks emote is.
It's in Operation Overlord.
Well, yeah, but is it like? Can you tell me what color is it? Is it common? Is it blue, purple, epic, legendary?
I honestly have no clue.
Well, can you look? Just click A on it.
Me and Javier are
I
doing
am
a shootout.
speed. Let's be speed. I'm gonna get that booty boy.
This isn't fair.
Deadly weapon, hang it up.
This gun's trash. This gun's trash.
Then why did I win?
Black belt.
Because it's trash.
Oh, what are you trying to say, Javi?
Of this.
Two negatives make a positive.
Upkiss.
My life is
Okay,
has
guys.
proven that
I'm.
Thanks for commending me, Casey.
How about JT?
Are you sure it's an operation?
So,
Overlord?
hey guys, would you like to hear some information Delaney just told me?
Sure.
Apparently she said, X is alive. I don't know where she got this information, but she said it.
It's cool when we get there. Is he
I
alive?
don't.
Yeah,
I mean,
Like Tupac?
oh.
So, can I get told on where it is now?
So yeah, I don't know, but all I know is she said that he's alive.
I hope he's alive.
What'd
So
you
if it's
ask her?
not, blame her.
Why don't you ask her how she knows? I'm gonna open up this so you can.
I'm drag racing here, boys. You ain't ready for it.
Please, someone tell me where it is.
The emote?
Yeah, where's the
It's in the.
Jumping
It's a
jacks.
blue Operation Overload.
what's it called?
Jumping jacks.
Do you guys have the special edition of the
She
game?
said
More.
apparently he tweeted something.
So do you guys have the special edition of the game?
That's $100.
Maybe, I don't know.
I have the $100 edition.
Same
All
way.
of them
that
are
might be why.
Fucking-
I don't think they put a rare jumping jacks emote in the $100 edition. That's just
Yeah,
really
no.
good.
I don't think
Then I should have it. Is it an Operation Overlord?
Yeah, it's Operation
Yeah.
Overlord.
Guys,
yes.
can we start this game?
Oh.
So yeah, go ahead whenever you guys are ready.
I mean,
Oh
take
my
your time.
god.
Take your time.
I'm-
Ugh.
I didn't even think
I'm
about it.
ready.
Make that sound again.
What are you guys gonna play? We're playing Dom?
Andrew, stop being that guy.
We're playing
Oh,
Dom,
yeah.
we're playing
That's
Affected,
right.
we're playing Relic of the Undead.
I know.
What are we doing?
I guess we can play a game of Dom.
I don't really care. It's
What's
up to you
bopping,
guys.
Jimbo?
And we were playing a game of Dom.
What's
Okay.
bopping?
You know, I might use the PPSH because I haven't really seen that many people
Get
use
the fuck out.
Just leave the game.
It's not that bad.
Get out!
PPS
Usually
is
does.
actually amazing.
I don't
What?
think I want to take part in this video anymore.
Do you really hate the PPSH
'H? Don't-
that much?
I fucking hate the
Yes.
PPSH.
Why do you hate it?
Because no, I'm not gonna get started on it. No, fuck it.
Don't
my
get
opinion.
started.
Get started, JT. Get started.
Nah.
It's
nah,
basically
nah, nah,
like
nah,
the
nah.
MSMC of this game. It's annoying. Everybody uses it. It's better than all the other SMGs, and it pisses me off.
I
I
just
think
use
yeah,
it
what
as
you
a
said.
skin for it.
Actually, good point.
I mean, I'm not good with it. I only use it because I have a skin for it.
You only
The
use
fact
it
that you
because
have
it's good
it
and you can get kills with
very-
it.
Makes you good with it.
If you get kills in this game, you're trash. I like the
Well,
guy in the
shit.
middle. I don't like this. I don't like his dual plane tag, but I like his skin.
It's a good thing I don't ever get kills. I'm pretty bad at this game, so I'm good.
Casey,
You hush
Alright.
that whole mouth.
Oh yeah, Mr. Drop 40 to 50 kills.
Yeah,
what?
shit.
He wanted you to say
When?
something.
I don't remember this.
Casey hasn't been talking for a while.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah, shit,
Casey.
is he here?
He's here. He just hasn't
Casey.
been talking.
He's shy.
Wait, didn't
Guys,
he
we
say he
scared
was
him
gonna
off.
go mute and cry
He wanted-
because
he-
you said that you didn't listen to his music, Tyler?
Oh god.
No, he was here a long time ago.
And I didn't even hear that.
I didn't either.
Wait a minute.
That just no,
Did
wait.
you all
His mic was muted.
wait? No, did you all hear me asking about my my emblem or?
No.
No.
No. We haven't
Oh
heard
my
you talk
god,
for a
have I been
solid 10,
muted that
15
entire
minutes.
time?
I literally
Yes.
asked.
All right.
if you've been-
Host
if your
is
mic was
bad.
muted.
Okay, they're lag switching.
I couldn't
We're all
hear you.
lagging. They aren't. Look at the leaderboard. They're lag switching.
Oh,
Guys.
Holy shit.
Guys.
Hmm.
We're all on a 2-1.
yeah. I'm not.
No,
lagging.
Javier broke through.
Oh no.
I killed one hill.
Oh my god.
Dude, this is the shy. Don't say it.
Oh! My
Why are we two barring, but they aren't? This is not fair.
David,
I don't know.
probably because of what you said, to be honest.
Yeah, dude.
Lag switch.
Okay, hi Sniper, how you doing?
Oh my god.
Enemy captured Beta.
Oh my gosh. There's a group of 3 of them, and they just kind of like scared me to death. I mean,
I said,
just seeing them killed me.
Same, Tyler. I feel that.
same.
Oh,
Wait, JT, no. You have no right to say that.
I do. That's why Casey's
They're
leading the
going to
team.
Casey,
Oh my God.
thank you so much for killing that guy laying prone.
Casey's used
Jace,
to the
thanks.
lag.
Alright, I hate you guys too.
I'm kidding.
Why-
Calm
what?
yourself. I'm kidding.
I just
No,
Casey,
That's what
Casey's
Casey's
used to the lag. Guys,
I
he's
wanted
used to the
tell
lag,
him
so
thank
he's
you.
already
I don't know
perfected
what I
the
did
art.
wrong.
Oh boy. Can I kill him? I guess not. Never mind. I guess not.
The only reason I'm leading is because I capped the flag.
Are you
Or,
serious?
positions.
How did I miss that shot?
Bullets, bullets.
Don't worry,
Alright,
Casey, I
I'm
got
done
some
getting
coming
close
up.
to you guys. That's the second time I've been collided.
Gotta get our bean bullets and band-aids, boys.
Dude, I don't even want to hear about being flatted, David.
What? It's on A. Wait, it's not.
Why? It just happened to us.
Getting up behind us.
Oh my god. You're so cool, aren't you? You have to hit a throwing knife from 3 feet away.
I got killed by dual
Casey-
wheels. I don't.
You
kinda-
Casey, you have to get- you have to
he
get a-
was able
yeah.
to hit a throwing knife in this game.
You have to
Pretty
get a
fucking
kill
hard.
with a weapon.
Yeah, sheesh.
Oh my god, there's a second.
David didn't finish, but I have a good idea of what he said, and I like it.
You have to get a kill just with a weapon.
Oh,
That's all I was gonna say.
Killed him, I don't
Like,
think
just-
he ever would have played this game ever again.
It's so hard to get up ladders in this
Somebody-
game sometimes.
Oh, you had.
Good luck, Andrew.
Fuck you.
Oh no! Who was by me but didn't like? There's
Oh my
there's somebody
God.
near A.
Oh my god, I'm scum of Call of Duty. Oh, I'm scum.
What the fuck? Where's this kid at?
It just took 10 rounds to kill
He's on
that
the
guy.
map.
There's a guy.
Right now, you're
Oh,
right.
I thought he was playing. I thought
Oh
he
my
was in our
God.
match. Sorry.
Love you, David.
Watch
Oh,
out.
what?
Got dual revolvers.
Oh, you know what? That guy's just too good for me.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Why are we not?
We are winning.
No, why? Andrew was about to
Fuck,
cap
winning's a bit of
C
an
and just
understatement.
ran off.
Can
Like,
someone get
why-
this
why
guy
you do
on
that?
A?
See?
There's a guy
Dude,
on A.
That was,
Hold up.
I wasn't
Yes,
on
That's
you
C.
who
can
I've been
kill
trying
him.
to
I
come
wasn't
back
on
and
C.
kill over and
Oh,
over
someone
again,
was
but I
in front
keep
of me
dying by him.
and was about to cap C.
Oh, fuck.
Dude, he's still on A. I've been fighting him this entire time.
Oh my god.
GG. Does that guy have Jewel as his contact?
Why?
What'd you say, not Casey, Andrew?
Say, why does that guy have Jewel as his clan tag?
Oh wow, look
He
at that.
probably smokes it.
What the?
Oh! I'm guessing that's a good
There you go,
Casey was
Casey.
ranting about.
Oh yeah, that guy kills
That's
me
what I
with
was
the-
thinking.
Hold up.
That's what I was thinking about.
Nail gun.
Hold on, I have a gun. Just pulls out double
Oh,
McCree.
actually, if there's Semtex, I'm
Oh.
sorry.
Just right in
Well,
front of my
Andrew, you
screen.
scared the crap.
Oil blab and a sticky bomb. Oh.
Guys,
Oh my god, a counter recon. That's so dumb.
kind of just took that nade, dude.
Oh my fucking Christ.
You're in a corner, in the back of the map. Oh, how I love you.
Tell him, Delaney, you love someone else. Even though I don't know who it is.
Yeah.
It's the sniper in the back of the map, sitting in a corner.
I killed him.
Fun.
I love you. Javi, I love you.
Oh my god. Who just
We're all
watched
so
this
too
happen?
far.
Oh, that guy just turns and headshots me every time.
You know, it might be
Every
because
time.
it's good.
Dude, I just shut the front
Alright.
door, dude. Fuck you.
Oh, what?
I had to come up with a new strat of going underneath the tunnel to flank them.
Wait,
This is
there's a
why I am.
tunnel?
They're about to try to cap B.
Where's the tunnel?
Oh my god,
Our
the
spawn
lag.
on the right side
the
of C.
fucking lag. I've been lagging this whole damn game.
Oh,
I
that
can't
tunnel?
do shit about
Same.
it.
I'm lagging
What?
terrible.
David, we're all lagging, man.
They're all three.
Thank you for killing him, Javi. I was afraid. He looked at me and I was like, oh shit, no.
Where's
Why
that
do I
guy
keep
missed
pushing
a
back
shot?
spawn?
Dude, I just like. I just kind of did the impossible. It's kind of
How
scary.
did I not hit him? He was like right in the middle
Oh my
of
God.
crosshairs.
Fuck
Fuck you,
I
we're
like it really bad.
Why do I keep going for the
Take a
drop
bear.
shot?
The MP40 is actually really powerful, not gonna lie. It's really accurate too.
Yes. It's the iron sight's the only hindrance of it.
No, I love the iron sight. It's actually really great.
You're fucking weird.
I love
You know
the
what? Not the
MP40
first
iron
time I've been called
sights.
up.
Iron sights are alright.
Wait, which variant are you using? Because if you're using the
He's using the default.
Wunderwaffe or the default,
default.
dude, you're it's iron sights are so small.
Yeah, but
I
it's
like
like
them,
helps with
though.
accuracy. Oh, I hit nothing.
Well, they're fine to use. I can kick kills with them, but if I'm going for headshots, I need a red dot with them.
Damn.
I don't.
Are you serious? Dude, stop using the car. They nerfed it for a reason. You don't need to be quickscoping with it.
Okay,
Should have
bye-bye.
said use the bike. If you would have said use the bike, that would have been great.
Nope, on me. That's great.
I mean, you knew it was coming.
There's gonna be.
So I turned around and said, oh, bye-bye.
Yeah, I was praying to God. I was praying to
I
God
was
that he
trying
wouldn't
so
continue on
hard,
me.
dude, to stay alive. Oh. Oh, this is the zone.
Let me kill you, please, dude, with Jewel in the clan tag. You're coming up on him, Javi.
Guys, help me.
Capsy, Capsy.
Payback's swift, bitch, huh?
Oh, that's a friendly.
Anton.
Wow, I didn't get to camp it or cap it. That's cool.
Me neither.
Javi, you
didn't
have
get
dual
to
wields
You
get
too,
didn't
it.
right?
camp it because camping's for faggots.
Not anymore.
Not anymore
Cap.
either.
Oh my god.
Just let the
It's just
rage out,
annoying
buddy. It's
now.
okay.
We all have inner rage. And it does
Nope,
mean
a flash.
Fucking Christ, dude.
I
I got a
like
hit
Robbie.
marker with the M1903, but I
That trip.
got killed with one shot
Why?
by infield. Dude, we're all so pissed and we're complaining by lag switchers on the enemy team, yet we're winning.
Yeah, I know.
We really are.
Yeah.
We really are.
I think I got play.
And we all have
I think-
more
Oh, good
time.
job, Andrew. You got play.
And then
Oh,
there's-
thanks, dude. I really appreciate it. You know.
You know, if you could have
You
killed
and
that
your
man
music,
a
buddy.
second earlier, he wouldn't have killed me.
I'm sorry.
Whoa,
What
whoa.
did I play?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that was
No,
Andrew.
no, no. I
As
got
it
play.
as it ends.
Yeah,
No,
that-
yeah, yeah,
As
that was
it
Andrew.
ends.
Sorry,
I know
guys.
the
It's too
names I
good.
got play. I'm better than you, Andrew. It's okay.
No, you're not.
Andrew, you're putting in work.
I will
33 and
not let my
16.
ego let you win this. Did I have fun last match? Yes, I did. Thank you, Call of Duty.
If I say no, will you give me a free supply drop?
I said no.
Guys.
I said no
No,
as well,
because
because
you
I
don't have
truly
fun
didn't.
in any match.
Oh,
That's
shit.
not true. I
Calm
have
down.
fun in matches that are actually fun.
Any matches you do amazing in?
Wait, which matches do you find fun?
No. The matches where I'm not going negative.
That's what I mean!
So
That's what I
very few?
said!
Okay, going
Oh.
positive doesn't necessarily mean amazing. Amazing is me going 38 and 15. But no,
That doesn't
I
happen
can
every
only
game,
ever
bud.
do that whenever. No, it only happens when you all aren't with me, which is kind of sucky. I wish I could. I wish I
Or
could
you're
make you guys
just saying
proud.
that
Or
so
you're
you can just
lying.
say- dude, don't worry about making
You
us
can
proud.
ask
I just went
Connor.
15-15. I did worse than you. I don't
Yeah,
want
you
to
don't
do
have-
it.
Stock.com.
KD's not everything, my dude.
Yeah,
Yes,
you gotta beat
yes,
that
it
up,
is.
Jake.
To me,
That's just
No,
Cox
no,
by
it's not.
Gibbs.
to me it is.
Oh my god.
Because I usually,
Yeah.
to me, it's just that little decorative thing where it's like, okay, this person didn't totally suck.
And it's not going to leave you if you don't have a
I feel
positive
like it just
KD.
feeds your amazing ego, in my personal
I
opinion.
don't know what. I mean, Casey, what? Okay,
No, I was-
never
David,
fucking
you never
mind.
I
know,
was
bro.
playing-
KD is a lot.
I meant to say David.
I was playing.
Javier,
Actually, I
you're
was,
the
I was
only one who
playing
heard that.
COD
So,
at
Yeah.
Hannah's earlier, and she got to see me
Quiet.
play, and I didn't do
yeah,
too
she sent
bad
me a
then.
snap of you playing COD or someone playing COD.
It was me. Yeah.
You're right.
I
It was
didn't
Emlyn
do- I
Grant
didn't
with
do-
the fucking
So
iron.
she saw
sight.
you
Every
go
time
negative?
and just like
I'm
white.
so sorry,
Yeah.
Casey.
Because that's all he had.
If
I
my
just sat
girlfriend
there and
comes
said,
over,
"Why
I let
though?"
her play Overwatch. I never
What?
play in front
I'm
of her because
so
I'm afraid
confused.
of
I
doing
can't hear anybody.
Up your volume.
Can I spawn in?
I'll go mute
please?
so
Why?
my annoying voice won't be plaguing the recording and plaguing your ears. Why did they not go
Is
for
there
A?
s-
What the fuck?
Why are you
Is
already
there
at our
spawn?
spawn?
Is there a spawn delay or something?
No, it's just a glitch.
It's a glitch.
Dumb. That's stupid.
It's a glitch that happens in
Thanks,
every freaking Call of Duty on the newer consoles. You can't spawn in.
Hey, Javi, you see that hill on the? You see that body on the hill right there?
I did ass just capped A by myself.
Oh my god, Tyler, I'm shooting at
Yeah,
you.
that's my body.
Your name tag wasn't popping up.
Dude,
I'm gonna
Andrew
come up
scared the
behind
crap
you.
out of me.
Is you
Thanks,
guys gone or
Andrew.
something?
1837.
Oh, you're welcome, bud.
I hate you so much.
Guys, you wanna join my clan,
Too.
the 1837 clan?
I'm glad we got something.
Wait, you're my clan.
Wait, I could have purified water.
Queen.
Hold up.
You wanna join my clan?
Have
Hey, dude, I
had
just killed you. Wanna
spoken
join my
to you a
clan?
second earlier? Why are we all red barring, like orange barring again?
This is
Yeah,
really
you
weird. I
colorblind.
mean, just they're not. Are they like doing anything? I mean, they just got to lag. Good job for them, but
It's 35 to 1.
Guys,
because they
let's
just
be
got
real.
to lag.
I think David's colorblind.
I'm colorblind. I do have the colorblind
I think
filter-
David's hair
filter
is
on
fake.
every color.
Same. Don't worry, David. Same.
That That actually spoke to my soul, Andrew. That my hair is fake.
That's exactly what I said.
You're a fakey.
Well, I think you steal lyrics from other people online.
I don't. I swear it's not me. I swear I don't. I'm sorry. Your hair is real and it's beautiful. I love it.
Oh, when you actually do steal.
I don't, but I hate being accused of that.
Is that why he's a Drake fan?
He's a Drake fan?
No, I'm a Drake fan
I
because.
thought it. I didn't know he was a Drake fan. I thought it was a human. What the fuck's a Drake fan?
Oh my
I need
god.
one of those. Andrew, he actually needs one of those for his room because it's so damn hot in there.
Yeah. Because I come up with my own lyrics. That's why it's so hot in here.
Well, if you did that, it'd be ice cold.
Is
man.
that why you both quoted me in lyrics on your song?
Actually, that was just pussy.
Actually, hearing the word ice makes me realize how much. Like,
I'm joking, guys.
It just reminded me
I
of one
wouldn't
of
count that
Caleb's
as
songs.
It's good.
stealing lyrics.
If it's good material, then why not use it? And if
Good,
no one else
Casey.
is
I feel
using it, then that's
How does that
that's
make-
just handing me gold.
You're
I
welcome.
honestly feel like Caleb
Okay, have you
is
guys
trying
ever
to,
seen like
trying to be
hang
more
on.
of a radio
Have you guys
rapper
ever
than
seen that
anything.
movie about that like movie producer that he was doing horrible in, and he like took this high schooler home and had a report and dropped it in his car. It was called like Big Fat Liar or something like that. And then the
Yeah.
movie
Casey, are
producer
you gonna
saw
go this
it,
first round
and then
going
made a whole
0-0?
entire movie about it. I feel like that
He's
guy's
talking.
genius.
He's probably texting Anna.
Oh, there you go.
No,
Dude,
dude,
you
that
don't
was my
have to
first kill.
fucking-
Jesus Christ. I've been
Andrew, you
trying to
don't
get a
have to
kill, but
explain the
Andrew's,
whole movie
Andrew's
plot to me.
taken Andrew's
Jesus
taken
Christ.
every kill. You all also murdered the people in the window, so that was another
I
kill
have
that was taken
4
from me.
kills.
I only have 6, dude. We haven't been getting many kills.
I'm just good old 1-0.
It's about to be halftime.
Oh, watch out, watch out.
You
David,
see
David,
my
David,
name
watch
in the
out.
kill feed. Look at that gun.
Oh no! I was about to say a word that isn't safe.
Not safe for work.
Hey, I got
Yeah, don't say
played.
that word. Do not say that word.
Hey, I got
Demonetized.
Voldemort.
Hey, I got play.
I am.
No.
Oh my.
Hold on,
Wow,
hold on.
That was a trash play. Did you even deserve that?
Trash play.
That
You
hit
deserve
the
to.
Andrew
There's
doesn't-
only
Andrew
so many
doesn't
kills in
either.
that round.
Andrew, you don't deserve it.
I deserve everything. I actually do some picks, I'm sorry.
That's 2 games
hit
in a row.
detection in this game is almost as bad as Andrew's beats.
Yeah, I'll make the beats, okay?
Yeah, you steal them.
Oh, he
No, I
just
don't. I
admits he
buy
stole.
them.
Oh, you buy?
Buy a
Okay,
license.
Oh,
for
what's
them.
the difference?
Did you just say what's the difference?
What's the
The huge difference.
Oh my god, this is such.
Oh my,
Exhilarating
king of
gameplay.
iguanas. Leafy, leave.
Exhilarating.
You know, I couldn't see that guy. He had a ghillie suit on. He blended in with the wall.
Oh, please.
Please never make those sounds.
Oh,
Ever
I
again.
am a potato. Oh, I am a potato. Oh,
Why do you guys just wanna start singing?
In the morning.
Casey was humming into that reminded me of the
Wow.
song.
You're so cool.
I was
You
just
can,
thinking of Sea of Thieves.
What?
I just started. I thought of Sea of
Oh
Thieves
my-
and potatoes, so I got that. All right, don't judge me.
Someone just
Did
got.
me and Javi
clink,
just
clack.
get collided?
Probably. I did. You're
Go,
right.
David.
David, be our counter sniper. Hunt him down.
What the? What? Wait. What?
I've got you.
Wait, why
Hey,
the fuck
whoever
do I
was
have
here,
a
you
lightning
mind
bug?
Captain B with me?
Oh, hello.
God.
Thanks, man.
I just had a lightning bug
Wow.
fly into my face. Why is it in my room?
Oh my god. I'm about to switch to. I'm about to pick up. I'm about to find a sniper.
Jeez, man.
There's a man in that house.
Where I'm going to? By A?
Boy in that sea house.
Yeah, I'm going to.
And there's a boy outside of the sea house.
There's too many
I think I'm inside
Oh,
the sea
hi.
house.
Oh my God! Why am I getting
God, you said that and you just immediately saw me.
I have no ammo. I have -2
There's
ammo.
a guy on the ga-
I have no.
Do not say on the galleon. Do not say on the galleon.
I was gonna say the gun, I was gonna say the Gustav.
No, you're about to say
Rest in peace. Oh, rest in peace, me.
Christian Bale? Oh, you said rest in peace. I thought you
Oh
said
my
Christian Bale.
God, he's
Where the heck did you get Christian Bale?
I thought you said it. I don't know.
You just rest in
Aw.
peace, Christian Bale.
he didn't die too, did he?
No. You gotta bring X into a video
Alright,
like
go
this.
back
The
there.
man was respected.
Oh my God, why?
I just said two. I didn't say who else died.
It's trash.
Dude, I'm kind of sad that he's gone. If I'm
Getting
being for
sniped
real.
from spawn.
On a real note,
He made great music. He actually did make really good music.
I did really.
I never listened to a single song of him.
Oh yeah, you just never
Why?
think about it.
God damn it. I hope. I just gotta.
Oh,
Never
JT.
mind. JT's probably hit like 3 triples. But I say, I hope that's play so I can see what I just did again.
Oh my god, Casey. I didn't get the flag.
Oh my god, my aim.
Right up there.
Hot trash.
I didn't get barrel stuffed, but I really hate barrel stuffers.
What? Who was right? Who straight up watched that man snipe?
Oh,
It might have been me because I was right next to somebody.
I don't know
I
if
mean,
you, if
sniper,
you watch the
sniper,
kill
sniper,
feed.
sniper.
I watched the
Shut up.
screen thing.
Okay, Andrew.
Wow. Yeah,
Jeez,
technical.
Jeez.
I gotta be-
I didn't
So
do so hot
technical,
that
huh?
game. Right the last game I didn't do too hot. I wonder if I got.
Yay!
Never mind.
Oh, but it wasn't the one that I wanted.
Okay.
I hit
Dude,
it. I hit it.
these
I
I really
hit
like
it
that
in the
pistol.
leg.
Dang, David.
That
Missing
hit
all the
detection.
shots.
That hit detection.
With Andrew, it's like anywhere.
Okay,
around
I'm
him,
gonna
like a
leave the
10
party, but
meter
I'll still
radius.
play because I gotta take a call. I'll be back.
Just say it. Just say it. We all know what's happening. Just say it.
I already told you I'm gonna take a call.
Who's the
You already
call
know
from?
who I'm
Who's
gonna call.
the call with?
That's not even a question. It's obviously my girlfriend.
DeAndre wants a
Are you
party
sure?
invite.
Okay, no.
This is my
He's
girlfriend.
not playing.
All right.
Just say not right now. Say sorry.
Sorry. Sorry, DeAndre.
Say
When you
sorry.
look at my YouTube channel, sorry. Sorry.
That man's name is I'm Tory Lanez, but I don't think he's actually Tory Lanez.
Okay, send him a message.
You calling him a
interrogate
faker?
Say, just
You
go
calling
like,
him a
okay,
faker?
Tory
Oh, right.
Lanez. So where do you
Yeah,
actually
I'm
live?
calling
Huh?
him
I ain't
Faker.
calling him a truther.
Okay,
Yep.
I've gotta go.
Who's
I'll
Tory
join back in the
Lanez?
party whenever she goes to sleep. I'll be back.
Stop, whoever's playing that.
It's him getting a call. Jeez.
Oh,
We don't need David.
God.
I'm just kidding. We do need David.
I'm sorry.
Dude,
Oh my god, I
Uh,
forgot this map even existed.
I thought they took it out of the game.
DeAndre just said.
Why would they take it out of the game? They only have 9 maps.
Yeah, I was just like, I forgot
Really?
it was a thing. I haven't
It's
played
only
this map in
9?
so
The
long.
fucking game came out with 9 maps.
That's
He
it?
been saying any better.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm just.
Actually, no.
Dude, it came out. Dude, it came out with like 3
regular
guns
maps
per
and 3.
class.
I mean, no, 7 regular maps and 2 war maps.
The only class I had 3 guns was like the sniper class. Or 4.
Use that for- Yeah, I don't think we've been on the
There's
team
good
in a
class here.
while. Hey there, Andrew.
Dude, I heard like some dude screaming.
Oh, that's
I
two
realized it's
snipers.
Javi Melee.
God.
Did I use this guy last
You know
time?
someone's a
Both of
tryhard
these snipers
whenever
are
they have,
dead.
like,
Oh my Jesus, that's a man with a pickaxe. Scared the shit out of me.
Where did you come from?
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Joe?
You know, that's a
Oh, no, Joe
copyright
just scared
strike
the
inbound.
Yeah, thanks,
okay,
Casey.
okay.
Jeez.
What?
Thank you.
Wait, what? What?
Thanks for giving me
thank
that
you, what
copyright
for?
strike.
Hey,
All this footage is gone to waste.
Well,
Just
Like,
wait,
you
edit
can cut
this
it or
out
anything.
audio.
Nah, bro. I'm just gonna post it raw.
Casey, just say it wasn't you.
Please don't.
It wasn't me.
Please no hour-long COD video.
Thank
Wait,
you, JT,
you
for
mean
saving
I
me.
can't post a really long COD video?
Please don't. Unless it's like a dubs, then yeah, that's fine.
No, no. Why can't I just post a lot of pub gameplay with my bros? Huh?
Run.
Recon flight concluded.
Thank you, Everhelp. Thank you, Casey.
Artillery ready for orders.
It was
Awaiting
me. Oh no!
coordinates.
Okay, thank you, because that man wouldn't die. Alright, cool. That man teleports.
Oh,
I
if you had told me
literally.
there was a guy behind me, thankfully I killed him.
Fighter pilot inbound. Straight
I-
in the tower. Recon searching for
Thought you
What?
kind of knew.
Bombing Fritz X-bomb.
Wow,
shooting a
I
guy in
love
front of
these
me.
tall buildings. These are so helpful.
Attack.
Enemy taking
Jeez.
I hate you, Tyler.
target disabled. Protect
Oh my god.
fully fit. Target zone locked. Recon airborne.
You're just jealous that I'm too good.
No, I called my thing right where yours was. Or no, I followed your bomb in, your glide bomb. I followed that right behind it, and then I didn't realize you.
You're selfish as hell.
What?
You're like I followed it in.
Excuse me, Tyler. I didn't realize you followed one in. I didn't realize it was a bomb. Actually, I thought it was just part of the map, to be honest.
Oh, okay.
And then I heard the other whistle, and I was like, "Oh shit, Tyler already took right here, and too late for me to turn. So I guess I'll just bomb with him."
Yeah, if I miss, you hit him, cause I'm usually miss with the guide bombs.
Kaiser is taken. Counterattack.
Excuse me?
A
Oh.
captured.
What?
Excuse you?
Excusez-moi? Vive la France!
Wait, I was about to ask the dumbest question. I was like, was France even in World War II?
Oh my god.
Are you kidding me, Tyler?
Of course not.
Dude, when you don't even
Okay.
school, oh my gosh.
Enemy capturing Kaiser.
It's been a couple months, alright? Actually, it's been a couple
been a-
weeks,
what?
not months.
Recon airborne.
It's been a couple years.
Objective anchored.
It's been a couple
It's
years.
been a
I'm
couple
really
years.
Targets.
done with school already.
Fighter aircraft approaching
Same.
target. Losing objective Kaiser.
Get off that. Look.
Get off, Kaiser.
It's a man with a pickaxe right here.
Oh,
Wow,
Man
that
with a
didn't even
pickaxe
play.
is scaring
double
me.
digit. I didn't even get
that's
the
it.
double
I gotta
digits.
play.
The
It's
kills.
your boy.
Andrew, why are you so
Uh,
anxious to get play?
Andrew, this is fast play.
I don't know, Jake. It'd be nice to see someone else get play for once.
I don't.
I
get
gotta
it
play
all
that
too
one time.
You get
Domination.
the past 3 games you haven't gotten play, which is more surprising.
Move out and
than
take
anything
position.
else.
Hostiles inbound.
Not
Taking
really.
air.
I don't get it that often.
Andrew usually gets played.
Yes.
JT leads the leaderboard.
Enemy has Kaiser.
Don't you know?
The past, no,
Oh,
all
okay,
yesterday,
fuck
this
my life.
man got play all
I
but
think I just
once.
took the bow of somebody.
Oh my god.
Well, when Andrew's not in the game, JT will get play.
Securing Beta.
It's just what's gonna happen.
Even David got
Andrew, you're
played.
bad.
Ow.
I love how he went for me first.
I'm just joking.
Even though I was in cover and David was.
Can't
the one.
say Andrew, you're
Shooting
bad in
at
a
him?
very serious tone and then just go, Andrew, I'm joking.
I was.
That's like me saying, Casey, you're garbage. Andrew, I'm
Oh,
joking.
I assumed you were joking. Or I would have assumed
Fuck
you're joking.
this man with
I
the
would ask
pickaxe.
how,
It's pissing me off.
but I'd be playing along. Oh, jump.
Let's
Okay,
go.
well, that's cool.
I want to see a documentary about Casey's mind.
He's
and how
behind
it
us. Turn
works.
around.
Pretty simple, actually. It's elementary. Watson.
I don't think so.
You not climb that or something?
It is, Watson.
I guess not.
So I'm not Watson.
Yeah, you're Watson.
But I'm Holmes. What you mean?
Oh, I'm dead.
Okay, that's cool. That's a family right
They
there.
call me Ghetto
It's not
Holmes.
even a team. That's a family.
Ghetto.
What you
home.
mean, cut?
All three of them dressed the same, all spraying me with PPSHs or MP40s.
Welcome to Call of Duty.
Oh, Andrew's dead. That means that I'm about to die too.
Hey, he predicted the
The
future.
guy with the BARs. BARs too OP.
You guys not been mid.
Why are you so bad?
Enemy recon aircraft in the air.
Recon aircraft in the. Do we not have a recon?
This kill did I just straight up take?
I just got hit with a
Fine.
grenade.
Laser.
Okay.
I just watched that too.
Fucking someone cross mapped a nade and it hit me. Didn't blow up on me, but just hit me with it.
Why do I feel like they're gonna spawn at A?
They are.
Enemy taking A.
Wow.
Enemy taking
I really wanted to throw it back at him. So bad. So bad. Oh.
Fuck BAR. Yep. My equipment stands. Fuck BAR.
Okay. That scared the frick out of me.
Yep.
Wow. So he could see me before I was even out of cover. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
Enemy recon aircraft in the air.
I wanna die.
Enemy recon aircraft in the air.
Okay.
I tried.
Oh, AIDS monkey.
Enemy
Wait, Casey, what's an
Oh my
AIDS
God.
monkey?
incoming enemy artillery. Get to cover.
Okay, well,
These
practice.
filthy commies. You know? It, oh my
Did you
god.
just
no.
call a commie an AIDS monkey?
Yep.
That's rude.
He's not wrong.
Wow. Okay.
Securing Bertha.
That's a different side to that.
Bomb incoming. Get to cover.
Well, I'm dead.
Oh no.
That's not, boys.
We're dead.
Capturing Bertha.
Wow. Doesn't matter. Don't want it.
Why? Why?
Capturing Bertha.
Why?
I unlocked a camo.
Come on, guys, push forward.
You know, the music intensifies as we get closer to accurate.
Hey man picked up my Thompson. I wanna die.
Jesus. Oh, I was wondering why I was dying so quick, and then I saw they had a
Enemy
bar.
recon aircraft in the air.
Bar?
Of course.
The
I hate
bar.
this game.
Incoming. Get to cover.
I hate this
The
game.
bar.
Guys, let's split up.
Look,
makes you
bomb
think
about to hit
Casey?
me. Bomb up on me, okay.
Enemy
I literally looked up because I was like, it's coming for me.
securing
Boys.
Bertha.
I was like, oh, hello, daddy.
Okay, the one place I don't look. He's
You
there.
ready to explode my pants?
Whoa. Calm down.
Fatherland in
I got
war.
play.
At least they almost
I hope
got
to
him.
God you did not get play again.
Okay, I hate when the enemy. Okay, like on a real note, when the enemy team gets played and they lost, that's just.
Oh my God, this
Oh,
is mine and
Tyler.
Javier's autistic moment.
We were trying
What
to
were you
jump
two
up there.
doing?
but- we were trying to jump up there. But
You can't jump
so-
up there from there.
Well, we
Well,
know
they
that
know that
now.
No, I totally didn't know that.
Okay, I told you, you just had to ask.
Oh my
I hate you, Andrew, sometimes, but I
Why
love
you
you so
gotta get so
much, buddy.
smart?
Why you gotta get so smart?
Reach for the skies.
But now Mama gets ice cream up in heaven. It's like this story never ends, and this story makes my eyes rain.
Oh
Toxic, I
no!
swear.
Oh, but this storm makes my eyes rain.
Eyes rain.
just unlocked the M1928.
Oh,
Oh my
damn.
God.
Anyone care to explain? I just unlocked the
Don't worry,
Thompson.
boys. I hate myself. It's okay.
What did you do? Oh,
Oh
fuck.
no!
Oh,
shit.
Oh no!
Oh, no.
Oh my God.
Oh no!
Were you here for this?
Casey, what did you do?
Wait, what
Casey.
did Casey do?
That makes my eyes rain and my KD drop.
Get out.
Can't drop it
Guys,
low.
Get out.
It's already
Tropic
0.
Thunder.
That's all I've been watching, my man.
Well, we kind
Alright,
of
get
watched
ready.
it together.
Look, 2 seconds in, someone's gonna die. Alright? Or not 3. We'll do 3.
1 second in.
Alright.
What do you mean?
1,
Mississippi, 2
2,
Mississippi, 3 Mississippi.
Look
Oh
at
damn,
that.
you were
3.
right.
I'm not even in the game,
You're
guys.
actually
I'm
spot
depressed.
on. Like, straight up in this. Are we loading?
Okay. Well, on that note, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. And thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, like every other YouTube ass. Really, I just care if you enjoyed the video. You don't have to like, comment, or subscribe, but it'd be much appreciated. Hope you guys enjoyed, and goodbye. Well, I guess the recording's not gonna stop. So, hey guys.